Inside the contemporary resort, right next to the iconic monorail, you'll find the long-standing character dining experience, Chef Mickey's. This breakfast buffet has something for everyone in the family. Along with classic American breakfast items like eggs and bacon, there's a lot more to choose from. Fruit and granola, egg casseroles, and even egg white options. Of course, the iconic Mickey waffles are an easy grab, and you'll find plenty of sweet treats like beignets. Let's talk about getting into Chef Mickey's. Be sure to make a reservation. There is typically no walk-up list. Since this is a character dining experience, you can expect Mickey, Minnie, and a few more friends to stop by your table for some photos and autographs. So be prepared if you want to collect them. And yes, there are adult beverages available if you ask for them. While this breakfast wasn't my favorite pre-pandemic, the food has definitely improved, and Chef Mickey's offerings are now totally delicious.